ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय। मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोक्तं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव। रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय प्रभासि शशिसूर्ययोः। प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु शब्दखे पौरुषं नृषु. Seventh chapter, Jnana Vijnana Yogam, seventh and eighth sloka. Bhagavan Krishna, first three slokas he introduced about the subject matter of this particular chapter, Jnanam and Vijnanam. After that, Bhagavan Krishna talks about himself, Swarupam. Here we have to take it as Bhagavan talks about himself, in the sense Bhagavan explains to Arjuna about the Ishvara Swarupam. Because we have to meditate on Ishvara Swarupam. Then the final stage is the Ishvara Swarupam is myself. This is the Jnana Vijnana Yoga. In this particular seventh sloka, Bhagavan Krishna says, Para Prakriti, Apara Prakriti, it is lower level. I am the cause for everything, that is higher level. Here in this sloka, Bhagavan Krishna once again says, I am the cause for everything. I am you, all people are connected to me. How? The pearls, group of pearls or set of pearls strung on a string. Bhagavan Krishna examples he gives. Even you can say like flower, okay? How a single flower becomes smaller? Some thread. Through thread we will sutre, string or thread. We can keep assembling the flowers or assembling the pearls. Here Bhagavan Krishna says mani, pearls. How the set of pearls or group of pearls strung together in a string, like that, all people, all creatures are strung on me. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular seventh sloka. In the eighth sloka, Bhagavan Krishna says, Rasohamapsu Kaunteya, I am the taste in the water. If the taste is not there, the water you cannot drink. That's all he says. I am taste in the water. The radiance in sun and moon. If the sun and moon are not radiating, what will happen? Then there is no day and there is no night. Then Pranava Sarva Vedesu, I am the Omkar, sound of Om in all Vedas. And Saptake, I am also a sound in the space, in the sky. Paursam Nrishu, I am manliness in men. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. How the set of group of pearls connected through a string, like that, all creatures in this universe are strung on me. Then I am taste in the water. I am taste of the water. I am the radiance in sun and moon. And I am the Om sound in all Vedas. Also I am sound in the sky. I am manliness in man. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in these two sloka. Ishvara Swarupam. Tomorrow we shall see. We shall see ninth sloka onwards. Till then, Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.